Are you looking for different platforms where you could sell your digital products and potentially even have multiple streams of income? If so, this is the perfect video for you because I'm going to be sharing the top 7 best platforms to sell digital products. So make sure to stick around till the end for this value-packed video. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to turn your passions into profits, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be the first one notified of any new videos. Now, selling digital products have so many advantages, from low overhead costs to never running out of stock, easier to manage and deliver, and the opportunity to make passive income while you sleep. I mean, who doesn't like that? In addition, another huge benefit of selling digital products is that you could sell them on multiple platforms, the same items, and now have a chance of making multiple streams of income, which is amazing. So I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to be sharing my top 7 platforms for selling digital products online. The first recommendation is Etsy. If you're currently starting out with digital products, you currently don't have an audience, Etsy is a great platform to sell digital products because you could take advantage of their building traffic. They have millions of shoppers eager to buy. It's relatively cheap to get started on Etsy. Plus, they make it easy to set up an account. I have been selling digital products on Etsy for over 5 years, and it has been a great platform for me to make a full-time income with Etsy. Another great alternative when it comes to selling digital products is Shopify. You probably heard of them before. Setting up a Shopify store is easy and fast. If you are not tech savvy, usually starting an e-commerce platform may be intimidating, but what I found with Shopify is a straightforward process to set up an account, and you have more control of the appearance of your shop compared to Etsy. It provides storefront themes that you could choose from. They have all sorts of different plugins that you could add to customize your shop any way that you want. And you also are able to track all kinds of analytics, which is really important to know when growing a business. The only disadvantage that I could see of using Shopify is that you have to bring in your own traffic compared to Etsy that has their building traffic. Another platform is Kartra. And this platform is great for selling digital products. Many people love them because it removes that issue of attempting to get everything to work together. Basically, it's a huge marketing system where you could create sales funnels. It has landing page builder. It has email marketing tools, website hosting, analytics, and much more. And they also provide fantastic customer service, which is rare nowadays. And I really like having all the tools that I need in one place, which makes Kartra so special. Teachable is another platform if you're selling online courses as a form of digital products. I have been using Teachable now for 2 years, and I'm also a Teachable instructor, and I love their platform. Unlike other marketplaces like Udemy, Teachable allows you to sell online courses under your own brand with complete control over your prices. Their step-by-step process to set up the course is pretty easy to follow. Plus, they offer so much value through their free training videos so you could have the best outcome during your launch. Now, if you have found value so far in this video, don't forget to show me some love by liking this video. It helps me know that you guys are enjoying the content. And if you're ready to make passive income with digital products, check out my Etsy Mastery course where I teach you how to create and sell digital products that you could sell not only on Etsy, but on other platforms. I will leave the link in the comments area below. Now, another alternative to selling digital products online is Payhip. And many people like using Payhip because it doesn't require a monthly subscription. So if you are on a budget, Payhip is the best option for you. It's super simple to set up and start promoting your digital products. I use Payhip to set up an affiliate program for my products, which is nice because others can essentially promote my products and services and make a commission if they make a sale. Now, if you currently have WordPress, then I highly recommend using WooCommerce, which is an open source e-commerce plugin. And you probably heard of this plugin due to its popularity and how easy it is to install and start using within your WordPress. I particularly like the idea of having a section of my website where I could sell digital products. And the reason why I think is one of my top choices is because you could really grow your business by blogging, and then it's going to allow you to grow your email list, and then you can use sites like Pinterest to drive traffic back to your digital products and grow a sustainable business by using all of these functions together. Now, Clickfunnel is another amazing platform that you could use to sell digital products. I also use Clickfunnel to create beautiful, high converting landing pages to sell my own digital products. And Clickfunnels is a sales funnel creator to help business automate their sales process from A to Z. And what I like about Clickfunnel is that if you're not ready to have a full-blown website, you could create a 3-step page. For example, the landing page, which is like your sales page. Then you could have a thank you page and an order page. And you could have this set up in less than 1 day and start driving traffic back to your sales page. And you could have multiple ClickFunnels as well. I use it for my course. I use it for digital products. I use it for affiliate marketing and ebooks that I sell. And these are my 7 best platforms to sell digital products. If you have any questions about anything that I mentioned, I am an open book. Please leave the comments in the comment area below. And thanks for watching.